Hola familia, ¿cómo se encuentra? Espero que se encuentren muy bien por acá. Para las personas que no me conocen, mi nombre es Miriam, soy cubana y vivo en Rusia. Este es nuestro canal de YouTube donde compartimos entrevistas, blogs, recetas y de todo un poco. Aquí vivimos en Rusia hace 3 años y pues bueno, les comparto con ustedes todas nuestras vivencias. Hoy le estaré haciendo una entrevista a mi amiga rusa que se llama María. Ella tiene un club de ella de idiomas certificado con sus documentos y todo. Una escuela privada. Es pequeña, pero es su negocio. Y pues sabe varios idiomas. Entonces pues dije, bueno, quisiera invitarla, que ella les comente un poco su experiencia, cómo ha sido, lo que opina y todo eso. Entonces hoy les estaré compartiendo a ustedes todas sus experiencias, su opinión y espero que les guste este contenido. Recuerden dejar un like que es totalmente gratis, nos ayuda muchísimo, comentar, compartir y pues estaríamos súper agradecidos. Entonces pues comencemos. Bueno, familia, vamos a hacerle unas preguntas a María Rusa.
Hola.
En español. Испанский, русский или по-английски? Как ты хочешь? Не. Как ты хочешь?
Inglés.
Inglés,
Puede
ok.
ser.
Ya pruebo. Ajá. ¿Qué te movió a aprender varios idiomas y cuáles son los que hablas? Потому почему ты учила много язык? Насколько
Mhm.
ты...
I think it's very interesting to learn new languages. Right now, I know 3 languages. So my first, of course, native language is Russian. Then I started to speak English. Then Chinese and Espanol is my third language. That's why um, it's not so good.
No, you speak good Spanish, I think.
Okay, but maybe I'm too shy to speak Spanish a lot. Yeah.
Ella hoy no quiere hablar español porque dio una clase de chino, después inglés y ahora muchos idiomas por un día. Ajá. Eh, ¿Cuál ha sido tus destinos favoritos al viajar? ¿Y por qué?
Mi lengua
Tus
favorita?
destinos. Eh, which one your favorite country where I went
Oh,
before?
okay. So my favorite country, I I could name the countries according to languages. Okay. So English-speaking country, my favorite is England, I suppose. The UK. I want to visit uh, Scotland and Northern Ireland too. I've just been to London and Oxford, so I like it so much. I like British English more than American because it's more good. It's good. It's better to hear that than, and it's better to speak.
I
It's
like
like more
those.
slow. Yeah, it's like noble language. Yeah, noble version of language. So as for Chinese, so I like China, of course, and I traveled all over China, from north to south of China. So, and my favorite city is a small, very small city next to the city I come from, Blagoveshchensk, and Chinese city is called Haihe. So I like it very much. It's small but comfortable. And as for Espanol, so I want to visit España and Cuba.
España y Cuba.
In America Latina.
Да. And how do you think that it will happen?
I hope I'll do
Next
that
year.
maybe next year, yeah, with you. Yeah.
Yeah. Which one difference do you see between Russia y другой country?
Difference.
Difference.
So I think Russia is it's the biggest country in the world, yeah. So and we have a lot of different people, different cultures, and we are very friendly, I suppose. So muy amable. See? Oh no.
Muy
Yeah.
bien.
And I think coming back to Russia is like coming back home for me, because my
Да.
home is Russia. Yeah. So
Good. You can to answer the next question in Spanish, please. Okay.
okay, I'll try.
¿Cuál fue tu mayor desafío que enfrentaste al iniciar tu negocio en Rusia? English.
Could you please
Okay.
translate? Yeah.
Which one the more difficult when you start your own business? This
Ah, okay. So in English.
in English, okay.
The most difficult was just to start, to open the doors. So it's the most difficult because you can find money, of course. You can find opportunities. You can find people. So, and the most difficult to start your business is just to start. Yes.
The more difficult was the first step, da?
Yes,
First
yes.
step.
The first step is the most difficult. I think it's in every case, in every occasion. So you just start doing that, and everything comes true.
Mm-hmm. The next question is, what kind of business do you have? What inspired to you to do it?
Oh, my business.
Why do you inspire? ¿En qué te inspiras? Inspiration.
Mi inspiración. Mi inspiración es son gente,
La gente.
la gente y los niños.
Mm.
I work with adults and with children. So, and when I see them, when I look into their eyes, so, and they're full of gratitude to me, so it makes me inspired. So every day, like every day, I'm inspired because I see people.
No, you study for be teacher, Ned. When you was
Difficult.
young. When you study before.
Ah,
Tu Chile le учитель estaba todo
no, I was studying to be a translator. So I'm a translator more than a teacher. So, but next I did different courses, and I used to go to the Estados Unidos, to England, to Inglaterra, and other different countries just to teach, with foreign kids, and sometimes with
And you
adults.
love
So
it.
yes, I love it.
And do you think that I am a good teacher? It's not here, no, I have to know.
Okay, yes, I think you're a good teacher, so that's why I don't let you go. Stay
Okay.
here, okay?
Okay.
Or maybe online. We could work online.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Maybe.
yes. I think it's
What advice do you like to give for a person who wants to start a new business? Advice.
advice. So, first advice is don't be afraid. Necesito no tener miedo. Sí. And don't be afraid. Firstly, be prepared that something might come not as you planned. Yes, so it's the most important. So don't be stressed every time. And third, I think, don't wait for big money just from the beginning. You see, it could be step by step. So, and sometimes little money but stable finance is better than big money and nothing. Yeah, at the end. So let it be like stable.
Good answer.
Thank you. Gracias.
¿Hay alguna experiencia de viaje que haya cambiado tu perspectiva sobre la vida o los negocios? I have to translate. You understand?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about traveling.
That if you went to some place where you change your mind. Okay. Yo tengo un problema que mezclo el inglés, el ruso. We mix. No voy a decir que me говори.
Sí, ruso, inglés, español, chino.
Ni hao.
Is not your language. Ni hao. So, okay. So, the best. I think it's somewhere in Russia. No. So when you travel, you come back home, and then it comes to you that something great happened to you during these travels. So it's my
Да.
memories, it's my maybe photos, videos. I've just look over them, and then I started to understand something important for me. Yeah,
Your favorite place is here, right?
yeah, Russia.
This happened to me, Tosha, when I lived in Cuba before. Then I came here and I changed my mind because I think that is a lot of things in my country that I didn't appreciate.
Yes.
Как
So
сказать? Да, apreciar.
apreciar, I didn't appreciate.
Да,
Appreciate.
как
Yes, не
now,
ценила.
because I
Yes.
am out. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Да.
So we should love our roots, корни. Yes. So where we belong to, I think it's important.
That is the more important. Who inspired? ¿Quién te inspiró? Who inspired you? Maybe your father, because he taught a lot of language.
Yeah, I love my father and he inspired me, but I think the main person who inspired me is myself.
Yourself.
Yeah, myself, yes. So I am looking at what I'm doing and what changes does it make to people. So and I'm got inspired by myself.
Если ты можешь жить в другой другая страна for a year, which one do you like?
1 year.
Да, for 1 year.
Oh, okay. One country for 1 year.
Да.
I could try different countries. Can I try different countries? So I would try some countries I haven't been before. I didn't visit before. So maybe it's Australia. 1 year in Australia. So 1 year in Latin America, maybe Cuba or some places near. Yes, because I wanna know something about your culture.
Да.
Yeah. And in China, Asia,
Да,
one
in
Asian
China.
country, yes. So my 3 languages, 3 countries connected with them.
Mhm. So do you like to travel?
Yeah, of course, I like to travel, but so now it becomes more different because of sanctions and different questions with visas and so on and so forth. But I hope I will travel more and more.
And more.
Yeah, yeah.
No, we have issued question and finish. The next question. Три традиция русская, которую ты любишь?
Oh, okay. I like traditions of tea parties. You know what I mean? So drink tea and coffee together and discuss the issues. So I think it's a good tradition. And to eat something sweet
Да,
or
with
tasty.
chocolates.
Yes.
Да.
So it's nice.
And what sueños o metas for the future? What kind of dreams? What do you want for the future?
I want to be happy, just to be happy and to live my life happily, in love, to have someone who will be my great partner. So
Да, it's good.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're so sweet. The best interviewer I've ever had. Yeah. The best. Mejor.
For me, will be difficult.
Entrevistador. Entrevistadora.
Yeah.
Sí.
I want to open. When I opened this channel, I thought about I want to have a channel for interview people because I think that all us, we
You're
have.
so comfortable.
I'm comfortable. Thank you.